Hi, my name is Lauren, and this is the sheep's dissection, the sheep brain dissection. This here is the sheep brain with the dura mater intact, that thin layer. As you can see, the dura mater is also wraps around basically the entire brain. This here is the pituitary gland. Then we have the optic chiasma, which is right there. And then we have the olfactory bulb, this guy here. This guy here is the part of the spinal cord, that little guy hanging off. On the side here, you can see the lobes pretty significantly. What about the other side? You can also see the lobes there. This line right down the center of the brain, that's a longitudinal fissure. These little guys here are the olfactory bulbs. This area here is the optic chiasma. This little guy here, that's the infundibulum. These are the pons here, and this here is the medulla. On the side of the brain there, you can see the sulci and the gyri, as you poke around. The black in between are just blood vessels. All around the entire brain, the arachnoid mater, it's a little membrane around the brain. You could see the two cerebellar hemispheres, 1 and 2 there. Those are the two cerebral hemispheres. That there is the vermis. Right here, that's the telencephalon. The corpus callosum is that area there. So open it up, you could actually see inside of the lateral ventricle there. Tissue there is the septum pellucidum. Around there is the fornix. It actually wraps all the way around. In there, you're supposed to see a carpet. Okay. In there, you're gonna see that choroid plexus. There-ish. Circular part there, that's the thalamus. Chiasm is right here. The thalamus is in this area here. Be the inferior colliculus as well as the superior colliculus. Be the quaquora. I'm sorry. I have tried to pronounce that word multiple times, but that area is that quaquora. That area there would be the quaquora. Quadramina. Thank you. That area there is the cerebral aqueduct. Cerebral pinnacle. The cerebral aqueduct here, which looks like fluid might be able to run through it. Inferior colliculus and the superior colliculus. Lump here would be a pon right here. That lump there. Long lump coming off of that would be the medulla. This lump here. This whole area, cerebellum. Outside you can definitely see the white versus the gray matter. So this here is the corpus plexus, that's the boogery substance there. Here is the cerebellum, this is the upper vitae, cerebellar cortex, as well as this here would be your pineal gland, very small gland hanging out there. Able to determine, we just cut it between the white matter and the gray matter on here, and the ventricle as well.